charges.
Oh, this is the first time I've heard of that.
Sir, si Faeldon vowed to resign should his son be proven to be involved in illegal drugs. How is the palace taking that offer? Offer for him to resign, sir.
Well, that's a principled stand, and he should be commended for that.
So, sir, itong si Nicanor Faeldon Jr., he was arrested in a he was arrested in a house in Naga City with another drug suspect. Can we get an assurance, sir, that charges against Faeldon Jr. will be pursued?
Oh, I'm sure if the evidence warrants, the police enforcer will be filing appropriate charges. We don't know yet what exactly happened.